Hello everyone. I hope everyone is keeping fine amidst this COVID crisis. Well, we have completed a few applications on op-amp, and today we will see or learn about differential amplifier. We have done integrator, we have done differentiator, and today we will see about differential amplifier. Now, basically, a differential amplifier is used to amplify the difference between two signal voltages. So let us see how it is done. I hope my screen is visible. Okay. So let me first draw the circuit so that it would be easier for you all to understand. So this is pin number 2, this is pin number 3, inverting and non-inverting terminal. We will apply a voltage at pin number 2 and via a resistance R1, and another voltage is applied at pin number 3 via a resistance. Let that be V2. Okay, this one is V1 and this one is V2, and let this resistance be also R1, and I'm considering another resistance from this part. This is say as R2. Over here draw the feedback part. Okay, and this is your output, which is pin number 6. Okay, the diagram is quite clear, I guess. So here two voltages are applied. This is V1 and this is V2. Pardon my one, it has got smudged. So V1 and V2 are the input signals voltages, and V0 is the output signal voltage. Each is measured with respect to ground. Now let the potential at this point, say this point is as G1. I'm naming this point as G1 and I'm naming this point as G2. Okay, so the potential at point G1 be VG1. Okay, I write over here, this is G1 and say this point is G2. Okay, so the potential at point G1 is say VG1, and the potential at point G2 we say as VG2. Okay, since the op-amp is of infinite gain, I'm just moving my screen a bit. So since this op-amp has infinite gain, so I can easily write V0 by this VG1 minus VG2 is infinite. That is, this VG1 minus VG2, this should be equal to 0, or I can say this VG1 is equal to VG2. I hope this is clear. So the potential of the points G1 and G2 will be same. So let me consider this, since they are same, so let us consider them to be as V. We got that VG1 and VG2 is equal. So let me rub this section or move to the next page. So I'm drawing that figure once again so that it's easier for you all to understand. So I have redrawn the figure and we just have seen that these 2 points VG1 and VG2 potential are same. The potentials at point G1 and G2 we got same from the concept of op-amp having an infinite gain. Okay, so let me consider that VG1, that is the potential at point G1, and VG2, that is the potential at point G2, we got them as equal. Let me take it as V, say, for our writing convenience. Okay, and now applying Kirchhoff's current law at point G1 and at point G2, I will get V1 minus V by R1 is equal to V minus V naught by R2. Let me take this relation as 1. How we got this? Look into this part. Over here, this V1 minus V by R1 will give you this part, this side of the equation. And this side of the equation is derived from this section of the circuit, that is V2 minus, this section is I've written from over here. I'm extremely sorry about that. So over here, this section of the equation is derived from this part of the circuit, V1 then minus V, the potential at point G1, by R1 is equal to V minus V naught by R2. Okay, so this is the relation for current, as same current is flowing through the circuit. Another equation we will get from this, that is from the lower part of this circuit, and from there we can write V2 minus V, because the potential at G2 point is V, as we have taken, it's same, by R1 is equal to V by R2. Over here is V and as R2. So let this equation be 2. So now after solving these two equations, we have to subtract this equation number 1 from equation number 2. So subtracting equation 1 from 2, we get V naught is equal to R2 by R1 into V2 minus V1. So you can see from this equation, after subtracting equation 1 from 2, we have obtained this equation. Over here, you can see this is actually the gain of the differential amplifier. That is, this part is the gain of the differential amplifier is this. So this is actually giving you the differential amplifier circuit. Okay, difference of two input signals. I hope this section is quite clear to you. So thus, gain of differential amplifier is R2 by R1. Okay, the circuit amplifies the difference of two signals. I hope it's quite clear to you all. Okay, stay safe until our next class. Thank you all. Take care.